Now, if there are multiple people driving this Porsche, you want to make sure that both drivers are going to get the absolute most out of the My Porsche app. I'd recommend adding a secondary user. Now, to do that, you're actually going to do that through the web page, so I'm just going to show you on this screen here. So once you've logged into your My Porsche account using your My Porsche ID, which is your email address, and your password, it's going to bring up an overview of all the vehicles in your garage, if you like. Now, if I know that there's going to be a couple of people driving the Taycan Sport Turismo here, I'm going to click into the vehicle itself, and I'm going to scroll all the way down to the very, very, very bottom to secondary user. Now, you can invite up to 5 different secondary users per car. To add somebody, I'm going to click Add Secondary User. I'm going to add in their email address, add in their information. So, for example, their name, their email address, or contact information, and a contact phone number. And that's now sent an email request to that particular email address. So all the secondary user will have to do then is log into their emails. They'll have an email from Porsche and just click Activate Porsche ID account. Now, this way they get their own login, so they can personalize their settings in their car to their own My Porsche account and activate the same things that you can here on this app. So that's how to add a secondary user to your My Porsche account. Stay tuned for more tech tips.